Let us look at what order processing is and how it takes place. So, when we speak about what is order processing, it is basically the workflow that ensures customers' orders are properly prepared and delivered to the right place. So, as a company or a business, when customer places an order, we must ensure that it reaches the customer on time in the right location in the right manner. So depending on the scale of the business, order processing can happen in a distribution center or a warehouse where pickers, sorters and packers work in a synced manner in order fulfillment, or it can be done by a single person or a group based on the size of the business. The main objective being delivering the goods to the right person on time. So the order processing step basically looks like receiving, picking, shipping, processing, packing and delivering the order. So as a company, we first receive the order from the customer. It can be through an online form or over the phone, in person. Based on the type of the business, the orders are received. So if we take an example of e-commerce, there is Amazon and Flipkart and so many other companies. So a customer goes online, he places the order first. He looks for the product, he searches it, he finds the right product and he places the order by making a payment, or he can choose that mode of payment, his address and details and everything, and he places the orders. And upon receiving from the company side, the company receives the order. So they analyze the order and proceed to pick the product. So which means they check their inventory and they locate the product in the inventory and they pick the product from the warehouse and start fulfilling the order. So right from placing the order to receiving it, it moves on to the company picking the order in the fulfillment center, which can be a warehouse or based on the size of the business. And next is moves on to packing of the product. So when the products are collected, it goes to the packing station where the company packs the product, gives the necessary detail on top of the packaging like the address, and in terms of using technology, they keep barcode scans where the next person who picks the product can scan and know where it has to go or which vehicle it has to be loaded onto and things like that. And next, the order is shipped. Once packaging is done, the products are ready to be sent to the customers. So here comes the logistics part of the order processing, where these people inside the company, they once the packaging is done, they place it onto the type of transportation the company uses, and it travels from the location of the warehouse to the towards the location of the customer whom the order is being placed, and then finally the order is delivered. So through this way, the order is finally reaching the customer and it is delivered to him. Now if we look at this process again in a flowchart manner, it's basically where the customer places the order, the payment is made, and the warehouse receives the order, the item is picked, packed and shipped, and the order is delivered to the customer, and based on the customer whether he is happy or not. If he is happy, the company asks for a review. If he is not happy, then he is eligible, if the is eligible to return the product back to the company. And that's how these companies measure their success and efficiency. So order fulfillment or order management, order processing enables a company to measure their success and efficiency.